Less than 48 hours ago 5 dummy iPhone 16 units have been leaks, and today we have iPhone 16 Pro Max, white, black, and gray colors. The Pro iPhones are definitely going to be way less playful, color-wise, than the non-Pro ones. Last week leaks, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max will see improvements in their charging rates. While the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max can go up to 27W using a cable and up to 15W using MagSafe wireless charging, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are apparently going to support 40W wired charging and 20W MagSafe wireless charging. iPhone 16 Pro is expected to sport a 6.3-inch display, which would be bigger than the 6.1-inch screen on the iPhone 15 Pro. Few weak iPhone 16 series and new real-life hands-on video leaks showing off iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, and last week leak seems iPhone 16 Pro Max dummy compared to real iPhone 15 Pro Max. The pictures confirm the initial leak and the rumored action button on the side. This will be a mechanical button with a capacitive surface that mimics the soft shutter buttons found on cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to get a new 48MP ultra-wide camera and a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The iPhone 16 series will adopt a new A-series A18 chip, which will be built on the 3nm node like the A17 Pro. With iOS 18, and some of the cutting-edge generative AI features could be limited to the iPhone 16 models. The MagSafe alignment magnets in the iPhone 16 models may be slimmer than before, cutting down on the size of the magnetic ring required for MagSafe-compatible cases. The iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to come in black, white or silver, gray or natural titanium, and rose, a shade of gold. The iPhone 16 series still has a long way to go, as it is expected to launch somewhere around October 2024 as per Apple's regular timelines. It will be interesting to see what Apple brings around new with its upcoming iPhones. I hope you guys like and enjoy it. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.